It's a 2019 INFINITI QX80. This high-end full-size SUV inspires and empowers. You can feel it in the smooth, rising swell of its engine and every time you get inside the luxurious cabin. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features. V8 engine, 4-wheel drive, integrated navigation system with voice activation, memory exterior door mirror settings, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, streaming audio, memory steering wheel settings, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and automatic transmission. Driver-centric design puts you in the center of your automotive universe. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today. You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.